Alright everyone, now we're moving on to question number 5. So the seventh term in the expansion of bracket a plus bx to the power of 12 in ascending powers of x is 9 to 4 x cubed x power of 6. It is given that a and b are positive constants, so we want to show that b is equals to 1 over a. Right, so it specifically said seventh term, so we are going to target the seventh term immediately, right? But we need to make sure that the x is going to be power of 6. So seventh term, we have 12c in the ascending powers of x. So that's going to be 12c6, right? Because in NCR, we start counting from 0. So this is your seventh term. So you're going to have a to the power of 6 bracket bx to the power of 6. So this is going to be equals to 9 to 4 x to the power of 6. Okay. Now 12c6 is actually 9 to 4, and we have a power of 6, b6, x power of 6. 9 to 4 x to the power of 6. So we can cancel the x power of 6. We don't need that anymore. We need to make b as a subcheck. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to bring the rest to the other side. So we have 924 over 924 a to the power of 6. Then b power of 6 is equals to 1 over a to the power of 6, and b is equals to 6 roots of 1 over a power of 6 is going to give you just 1 over a. Okay, now let's move on to the second part of the question. So in the second part of the question, it says that we want to find the value of a and b, but there's another information that says sixth term of the expansion a plus bx to the power of 12 in ascending power of x is 198 x to the power of 5. So that's going to be the sixth term, right? Is it the sixth? It's going to be the eighth term, right? Because seventh term already power of 6, so I'm going to use the eighth term. 12c7, yeah, 12c7 a to the power of 7, and we have bx to the power of 5, which should be equals to 198 x to the power of 5. Okay, now 12c7 is going to give you 792, then a power of 7, b power of 5, x power of 5, 198 x to the power of 5. Okay, so we can cancel the x to the power of 5. We can substitute the b here. So 792 a power of 7, 1 over a, so that's power of 5 equals to 198. Okay, so let's simplify this. I'm going to bring the 792 to the other side. Now my a, I'm going to get a square, because when I expand the 1 over a, it's going to be 1 over a power of 5. A power of 7 divided by a power of 5 is going to give you a square. Now 198 divided by 792 is going to give you a simplified version of 1 over 4. So then a is going to be equals to plus minus 1 over 2. Now in the question it says that it is given that a and b are positive constants. So in this case we will not take the negative, we'll just say a is going to be positive 1 over 2. And then to find b, we just simply use the ones on the previous question. So we substitute a is equals to 1 over 2, 1 divided by 1 over 2. So b is equals to 1 times 2. So b is equals to 2. So finalizing your answer here, a is going to be equals to 1 over 2, and b is going to be equals to 2.